Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change date field format to any custom format using script code in Elementor Pro form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our date. Now select and then you see year, month, day. So we are going to change it to any date format using script code. Now go to dashboard and we are using Elementor Pro plugin. On left side you see Elementor and then you see custom code, so click on it, and then you see add new custom code, so again click on it. So you can add new code title, so you can add title according to your requirement, and then scroll down you see location. Now select body and then paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. If you are using here flat picker -input class, then this code apply on date field and time field also. When you select time, date calendar also show on time field in Elementor form, so that's why we are using field ID here. So we have two date fields, so that's why we are using field ID. Now you see 1 and then add comma and then add 1 if you have one date field. Now remove this, so it's up to you. Now go to form and then right click on it and then click on inspect element. Now inspect element open and then you see input type text name and then you see ID form field -field underscore. So this is our number. Now copy this field ID, so you can add your field ID in custom code. Now back to code, then add here first add hash and then add field ID. So we have two date field, so that's why we are using two IDs. And then on top you see always load jquery, enable this option and then click on publish. If you want you can run this code on entire site, so it's up to you. So we are going to run this code on appointment page only. Now select singular, now select pages, now write here page name. Now you see and then click on save and close. Now code publish done, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So in code you see we use format month, day, year, so you can realign this format according to requirement. So if you want you can add date, month, year, so it's up to you. So this is our format, and also you will receive same format on email, month, day, year. Our code is published. Now go to page. Our default format is year, month, day. Now refresh the page. Now select date and then you see month, day, year. Now back to code. Now you see month, day, year, so you can add format according to requirement. If you want you can add day first, then month, then year, and also add your date field ID here. Now you see hash and then ID. So we submitted the form. Now go to Gmail to check date format. So we are in email and then you see select date, month, day, year, also you see date of birth, month, day, year format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.